Hey, what is going on everybody? So today I'm going to do a unboxing of my new iPhone 8. This is the gold 64 gigabytes, and I also have my iPhone 6, 6S, iPhone 7, and iPhone 7 Plus here to give you a quick comparison as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Let me break out my favorite spinner knife. And I'll show you the box first here. You can see here, let me cover up my information on the bottom here. Again, it is 64 gigs. And let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, sorry, I didn't even need a knife. Here we go. Now, one thing I want to mention, guys, if you guys have the iPhone 7, there's really no need to upgrade from the iPhone 7 to the iPhone 8 because it's very minimal upgrades. Like for instance, you have fast charging on here. You also have wireless Qi charging on here, but there's not really much or enough upgrades to upgrade from the iPhone 7 to the iPhone 8, in my opinion. So let me go ahead and move these phones up here, and let's take this one out. All right, so here we go. This is the gold. It does come in 3 colors, the iPhone 8. You have a choice out of silver, space gray, or gold. Again, this is the gold here, as you can see. Let me turn it over here. Let me go ahead and boot this one up. And let's see the accessories that it comes with here. We have our headphones. And the iPhone 8, it's the same thing as the iPhone 7. There's no headphone jack in either of these, which I find really disappointing because I have so many headphones with the 3.5 millimeter jack. And every time you want to use these, you basically have to use this adapter here. You have to plug your 3.5 millimeter jack headphones in here, and then you plug this into your lightning port, which is inconvenience because you always end up like losing this anyways. So you have the earphones here. We have a lightning port cable to charge your phone, and you also have the adapter as well. And that's pretty much, oh yeah, and of course you also get the user manual here, quick startup guide, whatnot, and you get your Apple logo stickers here, which I'll probably put on my laptop. So the phone is booted up right now. Let's just go ahead and see, like I said, there is wireless charging capabilities on here. I have my favorite wireless charger right here. I'll put a link below if you guys are interested in this as well. But let me just put this on here, and it should wirelessly charge. Okay, look at that. We're already fired up. I didn't even have to go through the settings to set it up. So let me go ahead and turn this back off so you don't see my IMEI number. But here you guys go, and let me give you a quick comparison. You can see this is the iPhone 6 here, then it came out with the 6S. Then they came out with the iPhone 7, and last right here, this is the iPhone 7 Plus. And I'll show you a comparison. I mean, they're all pretty much almost the same size. It may be a millimeter off here and there, depending on the length, height, or width as well. But they, just by looking at it, just with your eyes here, they pretty much look about the same. And I'll put these on top of each other so we can see the thickness as well. They all look about exactly the same, but it is off like a millimeter plus or minus on each of these. And let me just bring this out. And here's the iPhone 7 Plus. I didn't get the iPhone 8 Plus, but it's pretty much the same thing as the iPhone 7 Plus, just a few upgrades from the iPhone 7 Plus to the iPhone 8 Plus as well. And you can see the size difference here. Now the thing is, if you guys get the iPhone X, I'll do an unboxing on that one next. But the iPhone X, the dimensions basically is in between the 7 Plus and the iPhone 8. So it's a little bit bigger than the iPhone 8, and it's a little bit smaller than the iPhone 7 Plus or the 8 Plus. And let me go ahead and turn all these over here so you can see what the fronts look like. And that's pretty much it for this video. It's just a simple unboxing to show you exactly what you get out of the box. Again, this is my goal. I'm probably not going to use this one as my main driver because I do have the iPhone X, which is probably going to be my main driver, and also my Samsung Galaxy Note that I just got in as well. So I always have two daily drivers. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like it, have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.